Russian fighter jet crashes. Search and rescue operation underway. A Russian fighter jet has crashed during a training flight, forcing a search and rescue operation to be launched. The MiG-31 military plane has crashed in the Russian Republic of Buryatia, Western Siberia. Both pilots managed to eject before the aircraft crashed at a proving ground in an unpopulated area, according to the Russian Defense Ministry's preliminary information. A statement said the plane crashed in a deserted place. Both pilots ejected. The pilots have been recovered quickly. There is no danger to their lives. The incident happened as the jet was conducting a training flight over the Telemba airfield. A helicopter has been dispatched as part of the search and rescue operation. The Russian Air Force MiG-31 supersonic interceptor is believed to be one of the world's fastest aircraft. The jet can reach a maximum altitude of 30,000 meters and can intercept targets by flying at speeds of up to 5 times the speed of sound. Wow, that is fast. The crash comes just a week after Russian military aircraft were seen flying off the coast of Alaska for the 4th time in 4 days. 2 Tu-95 nuclear-capable Bear bombers and 2 Il-38 maritime patrol aircraft were spotted off the coast but remained outside of the U.S. airspace on Wednesday and Thursday. According to CNN, the bombers entered the Alaskan Air Defense Identification Zone some 700 nautical miles southwest of Anchorage. And as tensions threaten to reach boiling point over North Korea and Syria, Russian aircraft have been seen flying along the coastline of U.S. ally Japan 4 times this month. Russian spy ship the Viktor Leonov has also reportedly been spotted near the U.S. coastline twice as U.S.-Russia relations reach a new low. Wow, let us take a look at the clip up here. Right here. Wow, that looked fantastic. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching.